I'll show you a really cool feature you can use on SoundTrap when you're creating your podcast. So this transcript feature, you click it and then select a track that you recorded something. So I'm just going to do it for this simple introduction. So the first mic track, you click transcribe, it will convert it into text. It takes a little bit of time, but once it's transcribed, you can then go and look at the text and delete pieces of it. Like, let's say you wanted to cut something that you said. So like it has exactly everything I'm saying. So let's say I wanted to cut this last little bit. You can select all this and cut it out, and that will cut it from the. So let me undo that and show you what I mean here. So let me try playing it. So let's say I wanted to just, like I said, get rid of this part here, right? You could delete it and then watch what happened. It's gone, right? Like, let's say there's something in the middle that you said, like, let's just to experiment here. Let's say I just want to get rid of this Mr. and see what that sounds like. That didn't sound quite as good, but you get the idea. You can cut little bits and pieces this way too, which is a pretty cool editing feature. All right, so that is the transcription feature on SoundTrap.